Good morning, everyone. Already here at the beach. Beautiful day. Let me show you my setup. It's getting busy already here. My neighbors from Arizona. Hi. All right, I'll be here till 10 p.m. Come down. It's gonna be a beautiful day today. Yeah. Love this view right here. It's getting busy. I know. Let's see. The sun is out. Looking good right now. Woohoo! What a beautiful day. Water looks amazing. Come down, guys, come down. We're here till 10. I'm not in Baja, but I'll be there at the end of the month. This is beautiful right here. The sun is coming out. Water's looking amazing. Just relaxing here. Set up. Oh yeah. Time to get this party started. This is the best. Modelo, baby. Enchilada. here at Dana Point. I'm gonna be here till 10 p.m. Whoever wants to come down. My truck is all set up. Some shrimp tacos. Look at this beach. Woo! And Bree, come over here. Look at this shrimp right here. Woo! Oh yeah. That's it. Oh yeah, delicious shrimp tacos. The bomb. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how packed it is right now. Look how busy it is. Some of my students are here already. What a difference from this morning to now. You guys are leaving, Don? You guys are leaving? Okay, but you gotta leave your truck here, right? Oh. It's almost 8 o'clock. A lot of people have left, but we are still here. We have so much food and drinks. Having a great time with my students. Woo! What up, bro? Oh, look at you, Jay! You're nice and cozy. Look at you. Hey guys, so this is a wrap. We had an amazing time here. I just want to thank to all my students and my friends that showed up. We had an amazing time. I was the first one and I'm the last one to leave. Yep. All day long. What an epic beach day.